Hello, little learners. Let's go underground. There's a secret. Roots are searching. Deep in the soil, where no light can go, tiny roots start to grow, stretching down, nice and slow, looking for water down below. They don't just grow, they search around, looking for water underground. Where is water? Where should I go? Left or right? Down below. Searching slowly, can you see? Water is calling, calling me. This side is dry, nothing is here. Over there, water is near. The root feels soft, wet ground, so it turns and moves around. Where is water? I feel the way, turning slowly, day by day, searching, sensing, don't you know? Roots are smart, they always grow. Look very close, what do you see? Tiny root hairs, 1, 2, 3. Soft and fuzzy, thin and small, they drink the water, drop by drop, all. Can you be a root hair? Stretch your hands, reach the water, grab and hold. Now the water starts to rise up the stem to leaves up high, from the roots to every part, helping plants grow big and strong. Water is rising, now we grow, from down below, up we go. Roots and water work as one, growing life for everyone. Wow! Roots are explorers. See you next time in the Melody Lab.
Melody Lab. Smart Songs Lab.
Learn through music.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down there and give this video a big thumbs up.